Hi, I am Roxana from VP State, and in this video I will show how to import the demo in German language. I will show all the steps that you need to take after the theme install until the point where you can add your own content. In this domain I have installed the latest VP Residence theme and all included plugins. The next step is to activate the theme. Here I will add my license key. I added the key. I will press check license. My theme is now active. Since I will show how to import a language demo, I will need to install the child theme, as all language files are saved there. I have the theme pack saved on my desktop. I will unzip. And this is the file that I need to install. I will go to Themes, add new theme, press upload theme. I will select the file from my device. This is the file. Press install. And I will activate the child theme so the language will apply. The next step is to set the site language. From site language I will select German and save my changes. In VP Residence theme we support SVG icons for features and amenities. For the demo icons to be imported on demo import, you will need to install the SVG Support plugin. I will show how to do it. I will go to plugins, press add new, type SVG Support. This is the plugin that you need to install. I will activate the plugin and after set the plugin to be used only from admin. I will tick this option and save changes. The next step is to import the demo. I will look for German demo. This is the one. I will press import demo, continue and import. The import process might take a few minutes. The import is complete and now I will go to Revolution slider and import the demo slider. The slider can be imported from theme pack. I will press manual import. I will go to the place where I saved the theme pack. I will go to demo content folder, Revolution sliders. This is the slider that I need to import. My slider is now imported, so I will check the home page. The demo content was imported. For the demo content to be exactly as the official one, I will need to make some manual adjustments, which I will describe next. The first step is to manually upload the images for the display categories section. I will need to make sure that each element has a valid category assigned. To do that, I will need to edit the home page. Since the page was created with Elementor plugin, I will use the same plugin to edit it. So I will click on Edit with Elementor. I will go to Display Categories section. I will click each element and select a category. Once I selected a valid category for each element, I will save my changes and go to admin and look for the categories that I selected and manually upload an image. The categories that can be used with display categories shortcode are categories, types, city, area, and state. To upload images, I will need to edit the category, press the upload image button. I will select an image from my device, press insert into post, and update the category. I will do the same for the other selected categories. Now on homepage you will see the two images that I added. I added all images and the section shows correctly. Next, in homepage, all elements have been correctly imported. In grid section you will also need to select the valid categories that you will wish to show. I will show how you need to do this. I will go to the section and select the categories that I wish to display. Exactly as previously, you will need to manually add images for each category that you selected. Going back to homepage. For the map in the site to work correctly, you will need to decide on a map system. That can be done from Theme Options, Map. If Google Maps will be selected, then a Google Map API key will need to be created and added in the site, or you can leave OpenStreet. Next, you will need to set permalinks correctly from Admin, Settings, Permalinks. You will need to set them to custom and save changes. The demo import is now complete. You can start adding your own content. Next, I will quickly show how to manage homepage header and how to manage child theme translation using Loco Translate plugin. The current header is a slider from Revolution Slider plugin. You can change the content from this slider by going to Admin, Slider Revolution, edit the demo slider. Here you will have the option to change the text and other images. But if you need to change Revolution Slider and replace it with an image, video, map or theme slider, you will need to edit the page. Go to Appearance Options, and from here you will be able to change the header type. Also, you will have the option to hide the search form or change settings. In German demo we use search type 10, but you can replace it with any other type from Theme Options, Search. You can select the type that you wish to use. The last step is to manage translations. You will need to install Loco Translate plugin. You need to go to Plugins, Add New, type Loco Translate, this is the plugin that you need to install. Activate the plugin. Now you need to go and check translations. Here you will see the domain language. Theme translation need to be managed in Active Theme and VP Residence Theme Core Functionality plugin. I will open Child Theme and look for the German language file. I found it. I will edit. And here you can add missing translations and edit existing ones. You will need to click on the string. Here you will have the English string. And here you will need to add your own translation. The same needs to be done for the core plugin. Open VP Residence Theme Core Functionality. Look for the German language file. Edit the file. And start adding missing translations or edit the existing ones. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and please do not hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notification on new videos.